and all of you are ready for this particular lecture from the chapter Relations and Functions. Hi Shreyas, welcome man. Hello Sarayu, welcome. Then we have Aishu, we have Shweta, welcome Shweta. Surya, welcome Surya. Prem Chand, very nice to see you here. We Enthuse FC, welcome We Enthuse. Nice to see you as well. Great. Aditi is here. Ajay Reddy is here. Fantastic people. Hello Sanvi. So look who's here. Sanvi is also here. Fantastic. So people, we are going to continue with our discussion on function, and today's topic is probably the most important. Okay. And I realized one thing. Don't you think it will be better if I include the topic name in the title so that you guys will know whether it is very important, that you should not miss it? Don't you guys agree? So I'm thinking I should probably include the topic name along with the title, isn't it? So I was trying to do that. Maybe from next class I'll do it. Very good. Hello Anirudh, welcome man. Arpita, welcome Arpita. Nice to see you. Absolutely right Sanvi. Even I felt it is very important. That is why some people are losing out on these lectures. So today is actually the most important lecture and some of your seniors are not present. Yes, I will try to do that Shweta. Great. So Surya, welcome. Sheila Dhanashekaran, welcome Sheila. Nice to see you here. Shri is here. Manan, of course I remember you Manan. You are from my class. So I do remember you. Great. Sai is also here. Yes, Arjun Singh. So people, let's get started. So today's class is all about functions. I'm going to teach you one beautiful concept called as composition of functions. So I will teach you composition of functions. Then we will move on to inverse of a function. That is why I told you today's class is very important. Okay. So shall we get started? Very good. So people, for those who are new to this channel, for those who are seeing me for the very first time. So people, my name is Shimon Joseph and I am a JEE Math Master Teacher here at Vedantu. So I teach mathematics for the JEE Mains students, 11th and 12th standard, and also the JEE Advanced preparing students. Okay, so that is my work here at Vedantu. But what is my background? So guys, like you people, I also prepared for KVPY. I also wrote JEE Mains when I was a student like you a few years back. And I cleared all of them. And after that, I got into IIT Madras. So I did my BTech over there. I had 5 wonderful years. Now, I work in Vedantu helping young students like you achieve their target. Okay, so that is my passion. That is what makes me happy. And that is why I'm here. In case you want to ask me something, sir, I would like to be your friend, sir. I want to talk to you. I want to ask you something. Then you can always message me on Instagram. I am very active on Instagram. Every student is very active in Instagram, so I am also there. Most of you are there, I know that. So if you're not, then you can catch me on Telegram also. On Telegram also, I have the same ID. Very good evening, Sanya. Very good evening, Jia. Welcome. Surya, which year I entered IIT? I entered IIT in 2013. Okay, I wrote IIT in 2013. Then I got in. I had wonderful years. Now I teach young people like you guys. So people, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new here, because we have a long journey. Whether you are in 12th standard, whether you are writing JEE Mains this year, or whether you are preparing for 2023. All students will definitely benefit from this channel. Definitely. That is a promise from my side. So make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned to this channel. Afaf Wazim, welcome man. Very nice to see you. Rakshita, welcome. And Vasa Vanajan, I will have probably one more lecture. After that, we'll have problem solving. Mentee session. It'll be fun. Okay. So one more lecture after this. So please wait for it, guys. And in case you enjoy these videos, let your friends know. Let your juniors, your seniors, your friends know, and also like the videos. Because when you like it, your teacher is happy and that gives us energy. So for those people who are writing JEE Mains this year, guys, there was a big announcement. CBSE, our government has cancelled board exams. So because of that, JEE Mains becomes very important. And if you want improve your performance, if you want to give a final boost to your score, then this crash course might be very helpful. There was one crash course which started yesterday, and there's one crash course starting next Monday. So every Monday we have a crash course starting in Vedantu. If you want to join, if you want to be a part of it, then you can very well do it. Okay, so this is the link. I have shared it in the chat, right? So in the chat you guys can get the link. In the description of the video also you have the link. Got it? So this is the code. You can do it. I am sure you guys are aware of it. So let's get started, shall we? Hello Ravi Gupta. Crash course price Jayashri is 6,000 rupees if you use my code. Otherwise it's 10,000. Okay. So my code is SJCC. Shimon Joseph Crash Course. So SJCC. The link is in the description of the video, Jayashri. You can check it. You can join right away. And you can attend the classes today as well. Okay. All the best. Now, shall we begin? All my ninjas, are you all ready? Give me a yes. Give me a yo in the chat. And with that, we will begin with the homework question. Hello, Anubhav. Anubhav, welcome, man. Sanvi, what happened to your internet? It's already dead, is it? Great. Before the start, internet is dead. What a timing, Sanvi. Great job. Great. Fantastic. So, people, let's get started with the homework question. Guys, I was surprised. How did you do this question? Because later I realized this is actually a tough question. It is not that easy. I don't know how you guys did it, man. But many of you got it correct. Yes, yes, yes. The answer was option B. Okay. The answer was option B. And so many people have got it correct. Yes, Surya Prakash. So we have Sarayu. I called your name, Sarayu. Welcome. Do you think I'll forget it so soon? Welcome, welcome. Great. So people, everybody saying Google. Great. Padmanabhan, please try to increase the resolution. Okay. So increase the resolution, make it not 144. I think maybe 720 pixels will be good. Okay. Make it 720 pixels. 720 pixels should be good. Clear? Fantastic. So let's get started, people. So how do you do this question? Graph is the best method. Okay. So I'll tell you two methods. The first method is graph. So first, people, let's draw y equal to 2x. So if you have y equal to 2x, how will the graph look like? The graph will look like this. Are you all clear? Everybody? Now, if you have 2x plus cos x, it will be cos x graph drawn on top of 2x graph. That's how it will look like. So it will be a wavy curve from this line. Okay. From this line, it will be a wavy curve. That is the behavior of it. Are you all clear with it? So cos x between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 will be positive. So the graph will look like this. So like that, it will keep going. Understood? Why? Because we have modulus of cos x, so it will always be positive, so it will be added to the top of the curve. It will be added to the top of the curve. So this is the behavior of the graph, and as you can see, it is always going upwards, and it takes all the values from minus infinity all the way up to plus infinity. So that is why it is an onto function. Why is it an onto function? Because it takes all real values starting from minus infinity all the way to plus infinity. Did you all get that? Everybody? And why is it 1 to 1? Because it's always increasing. If it is always increasing, whatever horizontal line I draw, it will always meet the graph at only one point. It will always meet the graph at only one point. So if it always meets the graph at only one point, then it is said to be an 1-to-1 function. So it is 1-to-1 because it is strictly increasing. It is called as a strictly increasing function. That is why it is 1-to-1. It is onto because it takes all real values from minus infinity to plus infinity. Did you all like it? So that is why I told this is a good question. So how do you check onto? Chaitanya is asking. Chaitanya, you have to check the y values. Because onto means what, Chaitanya? Onto means the range is equal to codomain. What is codomain? Codomain is real numbers, na Chaitanya. Codomain is given to us in the question. So if the codomain is real numbers, we need to check whether range is also real numbers. Is the range real number? How do you check range in a graph? Range in a graph is given by the y coordinates taken by the function. Got it? It is a set of y coordinates taken by the function in a graph. So what are the y coordinates taken? The function takes all y coordinates from minus infinity to plus infinity. That is why the answer is, it is on 2. Did you all like it? Fantastic people. Now I took the graph from Desmos as well. Can you see the behavior similar to what I did? So this is the behavior of y equal to 2x line. On top of that I am drawing cos x. Since it is mod cos x, it will be always bulging on the top side. It will be always bulging on the top side. So this is the graph of this function, 2x plus mod of cos x. Did you all like it? Fantastic people. Very good, very good, very good. You guys are awesome. I want everybody to make a note of it. Hello, Abdul Wahid. Welcome, man. Very nice to see you here, Abdul. Fantastic. What about the others, guys? Did you all get it? Fantastic. So shall we move forward? Yes. Great. Fantastic. I'm so happy you like the lectures. Afaf, Azim, I'm so happy you guys are enjoying it. Great, great, great. So with that, let's get going, people. Let's see who all answered it correct. So we have right answers from JEE Enthuse FC, Logeshwari, Shweta, Shivani, Aditi, Frederick, Laksa Prasadan, Chinmay, Raghav, Anabayan. Fantastic people. And we have Bruhat, Vishnupriya, Alvar Ramanujam. Then we have Shivani, Sangeeta, Sanvi, Sridarshan, Anika, Samidra, Surya Prakash, Prudvi. Fantastic. So many right answers. You guys are awesome. So now, are you ready to go forward and conquer the next topics which I have for you? Very good, Surya. Fantastic. Are you all excited? Yes, because now in today's class, we are moving on to slightly difficult concepts. Slightly important concepts. Okay, so let's go and have a look at it. I will try to make it as easy as possible so that you guys will enjoy it. Okay, fantastic, Sanvi. Great. So Sanvi is helping 12th standard students by commenting, and still you guys are not making it even. You're not even coming close to 11th standard. No problem, but let's see. Today's class, at least I expect many comments. Fantastic. So thank you, people. I'm so happy you guys have enjoyed it so far. Now the real story begins. The movie is starting now only, okay? Till now what you saw is the trailer. So let's look at the movie, people. Are you all ready? So till now we have covered 2 chapters completely. Matrices and determinants are over. Then after that, I started off with relations and functions. So now I completed relations part, and we are now looking at functions. In the last class, I taught you guys what is one-to-one function, what is on-to function. So those 2 parts are clear to you. Now in today's class, I'm going to move forward. I'm going to take it up one scale higher. I'm going to teach you bijective functions. Did you guys like that? Everybody? So I'm going to teach you bijective function. I'm going to teach you composition of functions. I'm going to teach you inverse of a function. And lastly, we will learn properties of inverse. Isn't that crazy? Look at the titles. Guys, these are the titles which are crucial for your calculus, which are very, very important for your exam, which is going to be coming up in some time for your 12th standard students. Okay, so we will try to have a look at it. I will try to explain it in a detailed manner, but everybody give your fullest attention. Welcome Jatin, welcome Shazab Ahmad, welcome man, very nice to see you guys. Perfect. So first of all, any idea what is bijective function? What is the other name for one-to-one function? Now we have a quiz. What is the other name for one-to-one function? Everybody please let me know. Mar K, thank you so much, that means a lot. So you're from Egypt, is it? That's fantastic. Great. People, everybody let me know. Sai Seti, that is not needed for your JEE Mains. I'm teaching with respect to JEE Mains syllabus. Got it? Very good, Sanvi. One-to-one functions are also called as injective functions. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Fantastic. What is the other name for onto functions? Now tell that. What is the other name for onto functions? Onto functions are also called as, what is that? Injective is one-to-one. Onto is, any idea? Very good, Shreyas. Shreyas is right. Sai is right. Aditi is right. You guys are all absolutely awesome. So onto is called as surjective and one-to-one is called as injective. Now injection plus surjection put together is called as bijection. That's it. So what are bijective functions? Bijective functions are nothing but one-to-one and onto. So the example which I gave you yesterday, the homework question. What is that homework question? That homework question is a bijection. That homework question is a bijection. Are you all clear with it? Did you all like it? Yes, people? Everybody cool with it? Fantastic, na? So that is all you need to know about bijection. So bijections are nothing but your one-to-one function and your onto function put together. They both put together are called as bijections. Are you all clear? So last class I explained detailedly what is one-to-one function and I explained it to you what is meant by onto functions. Now both of them together is called as bijection. And guys, bijections are very important. Bijections are very, very important and I am going to explain it to you why. You will understand it by the time I go to inverse of a function. Okay, are you all clear? Fantastic. So now let's go forward and try to see the actual definition of it. A function f from set A to set B is said to be bijective if it is both one-to-one as well as onto. An example is y equal to x function. An example is y equal to x function. So what will that be? So y equal to x function will be like this. Are you all clear? So this is a graph of y equal to x function and as you can see it is both one-to-one as well as onto. Why onto? Onto because it takes all real numbers from minus infinity to plus infinity and it is one-to-one because if I draw any parallel line to x-axis it will always cut the graph at exactly one point. Isn't that right, my dear boys and girls? So it has to be one-to-one and it is onto. So can I call it a bijection? Absolutely yes. So that is why the name. That is why the name. Are you all clear? So that is why this example is called as a bijection. Got it? So now I'm going to give you a very nice question. Everybody think about it and solve it. Guys, it is not a very simple question. You need to use your 10th sense and then solve it. Okay? So everybody please use your brains and then try to do it. It's a good question. It is a very good question. I want all of you to do it right now and preferably get it correct as well. Okay? So please try it out, my dear boys and girls. Fantastic. So Yogesh has got it. Nafisa Fatima. Welcome Nafisa. Very nice to see you here. Great. So now, how do we solve this question? First of all, guys, try to draw the graph of this. This is a quadratic expression. So quadratic graphs, some of you must be knowing it already. So how do you draw the graph of a quadratic function? Are you guys aware of it? So if not, I'll teach you, listen carefully. So first of all, every quadratic equation is a parabola. And whenever the coefficient of x square is negative, it will be an inverted parabola. How many of you are aware of it? It will be an inverted parabola. Isn't it? It will be a downward opening parabola. Now, what are the roots of this quadratic equation? Can you guys try to solve that? So it will be x square minus 6x plus 8. So it will be minus of x minus 4 into x minus 2. So the roots are 2 and 4. The roots are 2 and 4. So the parabola will be like this. Do you all agree? Do you all agree? This will be Do you all agree that this will be the parabola? This will be the graph of this equation. Are you all clear? Now, can it be a bijection? Of course not. It is not a bijection. Why? Because it is not one-to-one. If I draw any horizontal line, it will cut the graph at 2 points. So it is not a bijection. So I need to make it a bijection. I need to make it a bijection. Are you all clear? So how do I make it a bijection? So first thing is, this is 2, this is 4. So the in-between value at which it becomes peak, it is 3. So at 3, what is the functional value? At 3, the functional value is 1. You can check it. Put 3 there. So f of 3 is how much? F of 3 is minus 9 plus 18 minus 8. So it will be 18 minus 17, which is 1. So now, can I break the domain from minus infinity up to 3? So from minus infinity up to 3 if I have, and forget about this portion, will it be a one-to-one function now? Will it be a one-to-one function now? Yes or no? Yes or no? Will it be a one-to-one function now? If I keep the domain as minus infinity to 3 alone, removing the other side, will it be one-to-one? Yes. I made it one-to-one. Now, I need to make it onto also. Only then it is a bijection. Onto means what? My codomain should be equal to range. So what is the range of this function? What is the range? Range is nothing but the set of y values taken. What are the y values taken? Y values are from minus infinity all the way up to 1. So minus infinity all the way up to 1. So that is my answer. Done. Over. Did you all like it? Fabulous. Isn't that a very interesting question? So whenever you have a quadratic equation, please remember it will not be a bijection. So you need to do something like this. You need to restrict your domain, restrict your codomain so that it becomes a bijection. Did you all get it? Wonderful, no? So guys, this can come as a JEE Mains question. I'm not even kidding. This can come as a JEE Mains question. Got it? Very good, Surya Prakash. Darshan, welcome man. Darshan, of course I remember you. Every day you come ask whether you remember me and then you go. And I always say I remember you. Okay? So because of that itself I remember you, man. Are you happy? Great. So people, next question. This is a nice question. Please do it. This is a fantastic question. I'm sure some of you will love it. So please do it, my dear boys and girls. Try to solve it. Everybody, come on people. I want all of you to try it out. Please do it. So we have answers from JEE Enthuse FC. That's not correct, man. Surya Prakash. Nope, that's not correct. Check it, check it, check it. You guys have to check it. Are you sure? Okay, Sai says option C. Just because I thought bijection now doesn't mean all the answers are bijection. Okay, great. Venisha. Yes, Venisha. You are not regular to YouTube these days. You only told me to remove JEE Math Adi. Now I have made it none of these and you are not coming to session. What is this, Venisha? Huh? Very bad, very bad. 12th standard sessions, what man? You guys ask for sessions but nobody is there in the session. Very bad, no? 11th standard students, teach something. Let them learn from you guys. Very good. How are you finding me? I can find you anywhere, man. Great. Hello, Ankit. So people, let's solve it. Sanvi says, sir, I'm not getting it. So Sanvi, I have thought modulus. You remember that, na? So what is root of x square, Sanvi? Root of x square is not x, guys. It is mod x. I hope everybody knows that. I hope everybody is aware of it. Yes. So root of x square, my dear students, is actually not, it is not equal to x. It is equal to mod x. Got it? So now, can I say f of x is equal to x plus mod x? Now, how will you open this function? So I can open it as Sanvi. When x is positive, it will be 2x. When x is negative, it will be under. Do you guys agree? Because when x is negative, mod x will be minus x. So it will be x minus x, 0. When x is positive, it will be x plus x, 2x. Did you like it? Did you all like it? Very good, Heshwita. So the graph of this function, for x positive, it will be 2x graph. For x negative, it will be 0. So it is a constant function for x negative. So can this be 1 to 1? No, my dear. It cannot be 1 to 1. Because for all negative x, what do we have? We have the function to be 0. Got it? So it cannot be 1 to 1. Can it be on to? No, on to is also not possible because codomain is all real numbers. Am I taking all real values? No, I am taking from 0 to infinity, but not all real values. Therefore, this is also not surjective. So that is also wrong. So the answer is option D. None of these. Did you all like it? Hello, Uday. Welcome, Uday. Shrishti. Welcome, Shrishti. Very nice to see you here. I'm so happy you guys have come and I hope you guys enjoy these lectures. Heshwita, you are right. Darshan. Welcome, Darshan. I'm happy, man. Thank you. Great, great, great. Darshan is still here, so I won't make fun of him next time. Good. So, shall we move forward? Great. I did not get injective. Yogesh, injective means 1 to 1, Yogesh. Got it? So, if you have the entire negative x is a constant, na? The function is 0 for all negative x. So, for any negative number, the functional value is 0. So, how can it be 1 to 1? How can it be 1 to 1? Did you understand it? It cannot be 1 to 1. That's why it is not injective. Got it? Hello, Gokulnath. Of course, I remember you, man. Aditya Ramlal. Welcome, Aditya. Very nice to see you guys. So, with that, people, now let's go to composition of functions. Hello, Rutik Sai Neta. Welcome. Very nice to see you here, Rutik. So, people, composition of function is a very interesting topic. So, it is a function inside a function. Got it? A function inside a function. For example, composition of function. Here, I have shown you what is f of g. F of g is not that fog scent. Okay? F of g is not fog scent. I know everybody likes it. Now you have to spray and sit at home only. You can't even go outside. Okay, so f of g is not fog. It is rather f of g of x. So first I will find g of x and I will take that boy and I will put it inside f. So that is what we call as composition of function. It is called as a function inside another function. Are you all clear with it? Great. So that is what is happening here. So what is happening? You have g of x function first. You throw inside apple, you get out lemon. Because functions, what you will do? You put input, you get output something else. Got it? Now f. So whatever comes out of g is called as g of x. Now g of x will go inside f. So that will go and it will come out as orange. So now if I see directly from apple to orange, now that function is f of g. Did you like it? So instead of seeing g first, then putting it inside f, I am together considering it as a single machine, f of g, where I put apple and I get outside orange. Are you all clear? Are you all able to understand? Very good example now. Guys, this is very important. This is how composition of functions will work. Everybody clear? Amazing, isn't it? So this is how composition of function will work. Very good. Hello Tushar. Welcome Tushar. Very good Heshwita. Great. So people are asking, sir, I want fruit salad. Great, man. Fruit salad, you ask your housemates. You ask your brother, sister or mother. They will get you. This will not give you. This you can't eat, okay? You will only dirty my screen. Okay, so people, let's move forward. Let's keep moving forward. Hello, Shaurya, welcome, man. Great. So here we go. So what do we have? Composition of function. Let's look at the mathematical way of understanding it. So till now what did I do? I gave you a very nice visual representation. But now it is important for us to understand the mathematical representation of this. Okay, so let's have a look at it. Listen carefully. Everybody. Hello Banu Prakash, surf on the beats. Very good. Balram Kumar, welcome man. So people, listen carefully. Let's say this is your set A and this is your set B and your function G is from set A to set B. Okay. Are you all clear? Everybody? So let us say you have a function G which is from set A to set B. G function is taking A as a domain and this is the range of it. Got it? Everybody clear? This arrow diagram I have taught you. Now whatever G of x takes value, that value I will put it inside F. That is called composition. So whatever G of x takes, that value. So I take apples. Apple, when I pass through G function, it becomes Nimbu, lemon. Okay, so lemon now is the output of G. Now that output I will throw it inside F and that will give me oranges. So that is how composition works. It is a function inside another function. Got it? So how do you find f of G? F of G is nothing but the function of G of x. So whatever G of x takes value, that value will be put inside F. Are you all clear with it, my dear students? Did you all like it? Everybody? Fantastic. So Uday, you only I told man, you are asking fruit salad. Fruit salad I am not giving, don't worry. JEE Enthuse FC, yes, tell me man. Sanvi has got it, fantastic. So people, let's get going. Now, what is f of g? F of g is the complete function which takes the domain from A and gives the output in C. So what we are skipping? We are skipping this part. We are skipping this part. Are you clear? Did you all like it? Fantastic, isn't it? So that is what is meant by composition of function. Everyone cool with it? Great. So with that, let's get going people. Now I'm going to show you how to find out f of g of x. Very easy Laddu methodology. Okay, Laddu method. So first thing is, so if f is a function from A to B, g is a function from B to C, then let me show you something. So let's say f is a function from set A to set B. Okay, that is f. So this is f. And g is a function from set B to set C. So this is g. Got it? So what is the complete function from here to here? That will be g of f. Did you all get it? Because whatever function f takes, that I am putting it inside g. So it is g of f of x. Are you all clear with it? So you should be able to find out what is g of f and what is f of g. Very important. Are you all clear? Brilliant guys. Hello Srajan. Srajan, welcome man. Very nice to see you here. Glad to have so many new students. Thank you for coming here guys. I hope you enjoy the classes in this channel. Now let's take a mathematical example. It makes it all the more interesting. It makes it all the more easier to understand. So what do I have here? So a function f is there which is from all real numbers to all real numbers. And it is defined as x square. And there's a function g which is also from all real numbers to all real numbers. And g of x is equal to sin x. So what is g of f of x? So g of f of x, my dear students, is nothing but g of f of x. Okay. So now what is f of x? F of x is x square. So I will write it as g of, in the place of f of x, I'll put x square. So what is g of x square? G of x is sin x. So g of x square will be sin of, in the place of x, I'll put x square. So that's my answer. This is how you find composition of function. Did you like it? Very good. Very good. Okay. Hello Naveen Kumar. Welcome. Did you all like it? Absolutely awesome, isn't it? Fantastic. Nihal, very good Nihal. I'm so happy you guys are finding it easy. This is a good concept, guys. If you understood it, you're awesome. Okay, now try this question. This is something for you. I am sure you guys can do it. Taco Pit is saying, sir, what is the difference between writing advanced in general category and writing advanced in OBC category? So I will tell you the exact details. So let's say Taco Pit, you write advanced exam and I also write. Okay, now you got, let's say, 4,000 rank. I also got 4,000 rank in JEE Advanced. Okay, so let's explain Taco Pit's doubt. It's a nice doubt. So Taco Pit got 4,000 rank. I also got 4,000 rank. But Taco Pit is general category. I am in OBC category. So I will get a better branch. I might get into mechanical engineering. I might get into chemical engineering. But you will get something lower than that, like maybe metallurgy or biotechnology, something like that. Clear? So that's the difference. I hope you understood it. So definitely category will help. It gets you a better branch. That's all you need to know. I hope I cleared your doubt. Fantastic. So people, what is the answer? Yes, crack with Gokulnath, Heshwita, Mansi, Tushar. Very good, very good. Vignesh, Aditi. Then we have Sindhu. Very good people. You guys are awesome. So the answer is Sindhu, Logeshwari. You guys are right. The answer is option A. So how do we do it? We want f of g of x. So what is g of x, my dear students? G of x is equal to cos x. So it is going to be f of, in the place of g of x, I'll put cos of x. Got it? So I have to find out f of cos of x. Got it? So in the place of x, I will put cos x, isn't it? So f of x is given to us, 2x square minus 3x plus 2. But in the place of x, I'll put cos x. That's it. Over. So the answer is option A. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Great, great. Varavut, very good. Satish, very good Satish. Fantastic. Option D is very interesting. I know. Option D is for ultra legends. Ultra legends will go for option D. Great job, guys. So with that, let's keep moving forward. I hope you enjoyed it. So guys, this is the solution. I always attach the solution. You guys can go through it later on. Okay. So for those who are new, guys, Vedantu does not have YouTube channel alone. We have regular classes. So I teach in Vedantu regular programs. I will talk about it towards the end. So please wait till the end. It is not yet over. We still have half the class left out. Okay. So let's continue. I'll talk about the Wave platform, how we teach in Vedantu, what are the cool features, all that I will definitely show you and I will probably help you visualize it. That would be awesome. Okay, so here we go, people. Let's get forward. Let's go forward. Perfect. So this is the next question. All of you try to solve it. Come on, people. This is a slightly difficult one. This is a slightly tricky one. You have to think a lot and do it. Okay, so I will help you with it because I don't want you guys to get scared. This is probably a JEE Mains level question for tough questions. Do you guys want to try or should I solve it directly? Can you guys try? 1 minute? 1 minute I'll give you. Okay, great. So I'll give you guys 1 minute. Everybody try it out. Then we will discuss it. Very good. Uday, are you sure? Uday has already answered. Let's check whether Uday is right or wrong. I'm not going to break the answer now because I want everybody to break your head first. Then only you will appreciate, no, if it is a good question. Great. This is easy. Okay, let's check it. Let's check it. Hello, Brain Gym. Welcome. Very good, very good, very good. Fantastic people. Mathuru Mohan. I think you might be right. We will check it, Mathuru Mohan. Please wait for it. Okay. And Yatin, please pull the video back and have a look at it. Yatin, I'm sure you will like it. Vedashri, welcome Vedashri. Very nice to see you here. Welcome to our channel. Glad to have you guys. You guys mean a lot to us. Okay, welcome. Very good. Surf on the Beats wants to try. Shweta says A, Sanvi says A. Great. So Uday is confident B is correct. So which is correct, guys? Is it A or is it B? Great. Ajmal, welcome Ajmal. Nice to see you, man. Welcome. So guys, first of all, what is G of F? G of F of X is equal to, this 2 you take it to the other side. So 2 into 2x square will be 4x square. 2 into 5x is 10x. 2 into 2 is 4. Are you all clear with it? So this is nothing but G of F of X. And that is equal to 4x square minus 10x plus 4. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? All of you are cool with it? Great. Fantastic. Now, what is G of X? G of X is x square plus x minus 2. So can I say G of F of X? So in the place of x, I have to put f of x. So it will be f of x square plus f of x minus 2 is equal to 4x square minus 10x plus 4. Are you all clear with it? Did you all like it? So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put f of x as y and I'm going to solve the quadratic. So let's call it y square plus y. Then what will I have? I'll have plus 10x minus 4x square. Then what will I have? Minus 6. Are you all clear? Equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So how will I solve for y? So y is equal to minus b plus or minus root of, what will I have? B square minus 4 times of AC. So AC will be what? 10x minus 4x square plus 6 or minus 6, right? So it will be minus 6. Are you all clear? Divided by 2a. That's it. That is my f of x. Because what is y? Y is nothing but f of x, na? Y is nothing but f of x. So f of x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of, I'll have 1 plus 40x plus 16x square plus 24 divided by 2. So I'll have what? F of x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of, what will this be? This will be 4x plus 5 the whole square. 4x plus 5 the whole square by 2. So I'll have f of x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 4x plus 5 divided by 2. That's it. Solve it and get the answer. Over. Did you all like it? Is it minus 40x? Okay guys. Then it will be minus 40. Then it will be 4x minus 5. Yes Sanvi, you are right. So it will be 4x minus 5. You guys can check it now. What will be the answer? So I think option A will be the answer, right? I think Sanvi was correct. Sanvi and Shweta were right. So option A is correct, guys, not B. Okay. Mohit, yes Mohit. Mohit, you can substitute also. Very good Uday. Uday, you are also right. Fantastic Uday. Very good. I am happy you found the answer Uday. Brilliant job. Legendary bot is also right. So guys, this is the formal way of solving it. Did you understand it? I am so happy Sanvi has understood it. Great. Mansi has got it. Heshwita has got it. Aditi has got it. Logeshwari, fantastic. Are you all clear with it, my dear students? So this is a brilliant question. So this is the actual way of solving it. Okay. And the other way is guessing. Guessing is by substituting the option. So what you can do is you can substitute the option and check whether you get the answer. But that will take time. Luckily, here option A is correct. But imagine if option D was right and you are starting from first one. You will finish tomorrow only. Okay. So you have to be careful. Yes, Siddharth, of course Siddharth, it will be helpful. But if you are 2021 batch, I would recommend checking out the crash course at Vedantu. I will talk about it towards the end. But definitely, you can watch this as well. It will help. So let's move forward, people. I'm so glad many of you got to try it. Now, the next question. Let's see if you can crack this. This is an easy one. This I'm confident many people will solve it and many will get it right as well. Come on, boys and girls. Try to crack it. Very good, Ashwani Kumar. Shweta substituted. Great, Shweta. You guys are legendary, man. I don't have to teach you how to substitute. Very good. Arnav. Arnav, I will be teaching micro courses. Please wait for some time. I will definitely teach micro courses in Vedantu Pro. Like I said, wait for some time. You will see me there. Siddharth, are you sure? Heshwita, I think Heshwita is correct. Very good, Heshwita. Very good, Aditi. Very good, Sai. You guys are awesome. Let's wait for your friends to complete. Everybody, come on, people. Shweta, very good. Okay. Biroj, absolutely Biroj. I wish you all the best. Work hard. You will get it. Vedashri, very good, Vedashri. Ashwani Kumar and Sanvi, legendary bot. You guys are awesome. Prem Chand, I am Nihal. You guys have absolutely nailed it. That is the right answer, people. So how do we solve it? Let's have a look at it, people. Listen carefully. What do we have? We have g of f of x. So we have g of, what is f of x? F of x is sine square x is equal to mod of sine x. Is that correct? Everybody? Now people, can I say g of f of x is sine square x? I hope everybody is clear. That's why I wrote it here. That's why I wrote it here. Everybody clear? Fantastic. So now g of sine square x is equal to, what will be mod of sine x? Mod of sine x is nothing but square root of sine square x. Do you all get that? How many of you have understood this part? Mod of sine x is nothing but root of sine square x. Because I told you, na, root of x square is equal to mod x. I hope you remember that. Everybody clear? So now I have the same thing here. I have the same thing here. So if I say g of x, it will be equal to what? It will be root of x. That's it. That's what they want. Answer is option B. Amazing, isn't it? Amazing, isn't it? Did you all like it? Fantastic. So this is all you need to know about composition of functions, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So with that, let's keep moving forward. Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Awesome. So with that, let's go forward. I have attached the solution. You guys can check about it later on. Okay. So here we go to the next part. The next part is very interesting. Okay. The next part is very interesting. It is called as inverse of a function. Okay. So now I'm gonna help you understand it. Please listen carefully, guys. So inverse of a function means, so let us say you have f of x. So let's say you have 1, 2, 3 and let's say you have a, b, c. So if you have a function like this, let's say f of x, and let's say f of x is a bijection. Bijection means what? It is 1 to 1 and onto. Okay, it is 1 to 1 and onto. So do you guys agree this is a bijection? Do you guys agree this is a bijection? Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Fantastic. You guys are awesome. Okay. Now listen very carefully. I'm gonna definitely help you master this topic because this is a very crucial topic. Okay. Many people don't realize it. Now inverse means, inverse is a function from the set B to the set A. Okay. Surya, I will repeat it. Please listen carefully. I will repeat it one more time. So I am taking an example, Surya. Okay. So this is called as an arrow diagram. This is called as an arrow diagram. So you have set A, which is 1, 2, 3. I gave it for example. And this is set B, which is A, B, C. I have chosen it as an example. Got it? Very good, Heshwita. Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely. Now I am taking a function f of x which goes like this. 1 is related to C, 2 is related to A, 3 is related to B. So do you guys agree it is a one-to-one function and it is a onto function? Onto because everything is occupied. One-to-one because all of them have unique images. Got it? Everybody clear? Brilliant. Now inverse means there will exist a function from B to A called as g of x such that g of C will give you 1, g of B will give you 3, g of A will give you 2. So that is called as inverse. So if it is not a bijection, inverse cannot exist. Why? Because let's say if it is not a bijection, let me say one more element is there. Let's say it is not a bijection, let's say one more element is there. Can this be a function g of x? G of x cannot be a function. Why? Because one element is left out. So if inverse has to exist, then you need to make sure your f of x is a bijection. Because only if f of x is a bijection, I can have an inverse to exist. Let's say I told you if it is not onto, it is a problem. What if it is not 1 to 1? Let's say if it is not 1 to 1, what will happen? Let's have a look at it. Okay, so you have B, you have C. Now let us say it is not 1 to 1. It is like this. Now can a function g exist? Can a function g exist? Can you guys please let me know? Everybody, I want all of you to think about it. Can a function g exist? No. Why? Because then B will have two different images, which is not possible for a function. That is why people, your inverse for it to exist, your function should be bijective. So that is why I wrote it in that fashion. So if your function is a bijection, then we have no problem. So let's say 1 is related to C, 2 is related to 2, 2 is related to A, 3 is related to B. Now this is a bijection. For this, I can have an inverse existing. Did you all get it? Are you all get it? So what is the meaning of inverse? So if you have a function from set A to set B, your inverse will be from B to A, such that your f of g of x will be equal to x, and your g of f of x will also be equal to x. So this is what we call as inverse. You have to remember this. Very good. Got it? So legendary bot, you can say that for every bijective function, there will be an inverse defined. That you can say legendary bot. For every bijective function, there can be an inverse defined. Are you all clear? Everybody cool with it? Fantastic, guys. So this is the most important part. I want you guys to be aware of it. So let me show you some examples of how to find inverse so that you guys will understand. Okay, I know right now it might be vague. Sir, I got it partially, sir, but I'm not fully convinced. Yes, that's how it is for everybody. But I will make it easy. I will make it clear. Please wait for some time. Got it? So let's take an example. So let us say this is our function. Do you all agree? This is a simple function. So let's say you have a function from R to R. So we have a function from set R to R. So it is like this. So this is set of real numbers. This is set of real numbers. I have a function like this, which is f of x given by this. Now I want to find the inverse of this function. I want to find the inverse of this function. How do I do that? The procedure is write f of x as y. Write f of x as y. Now get x in terms of y. So how do I get x in terms of y? So x in terms of y, how do I do it? It is nothing but y plus 3 divided by 2. Isn't that right, people? Are you all clear? Are you all clear? Now, whatever you got is the inverse. So you replace this x by g of x. And you replace this x, y by x. So this is the inverse function. So the inverse of this is nothing but x plus 3 by 2. And this is the function. Sir, now how do I visualize this, sir? How do I visualize this? I will show you. Let me show you how to find f of g of x. Now for this example, f of g of x will be f of, what is g of x? G of x is x plus 3 by 2. Now for this f of x, find what is f of g of x. Can you guys do that? You will be amazed. Just do it and see. What is f of x? F of x is 2x minus 3. So 2 into x minus 3. So what will I have? 2 cancels. So you'll have x plus 3 minus 3. So x plus 3 minus 3 is what? It is equal to x. So did I get f of g of x equal to x? Beauty? Beauty? Yes or no? Crazy, isn't it? Now you find g of f of x. Find g of f of x. Do that also. So what is f of x? F of x is 2x minus 3. So g of 2x minus 3. So what is g of 2x minus 3? So g of x is x plus 3 by 2. So 2x minus 3 is my x. So x plus 3 by 2. So am I getting x? Absolutely. So g of f of x is also x. F of g of x is also x. That is what we call as inverse function. So f is called as the inverse of g. G is called as the inverse of x. So in conclusion, I'm going to write something. Please listen carefully. But did you all like this? Now does it make sense? Are you having better clarity now? That is very important. Let me know, guys, in the chat. I want all of you to let me know in the chat if you guys are a bit more convinced about inverse. Of course, it takes time to master it, guys. That I will agree. It really takes time to master it. So don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Venkata Krish, I'm so happy you enjoyed it, man. Thank you. Hari Nivas, I'm happy you liked the advice. Great, man. Okay, Surya, please pull the video back and watch it, Surya, because if I repeat it, it will take a lot of time. Okay, please pull the video back and watch it, Surya. That will be better. Okay, so guys, now let's say f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 and g of x is equal to what? It came out to be x plus 3 by 2. Now people, the most important thing which you have to remember here is f of x is the inverse of g of x. So this is a symbol for inverse. Because I told you na, f of g of x is equal to x and g of f of x is also equal to x. So if it is like that, then f is called as the inverse of g and g is called as the inverse of f. That is a symbol used for inverse functions. Are you all clear? Everybody? Manish, I don't speak Hindi, man, and this is an English channel. That's why I speak in English. I hope it is okay. I speak very slow, very ordinary English. Okay, I will make sure you understand it. Okay, so don't worry about it. Clear? So now people, I hope the terminologies are clear and I hope the convention representations are all clear to everybody. Okay? Fantastic. So now let's try to move forward and let's try to solve some questions based on it. Okay? Are you all clear? So let's try to solve some questions based on it. Here we go. So this is a function, the method how to solve it. This is a question based on it. Please do it. Hello Tushar. Yes Tushar, what happened? Guys, this is based on what I just taught you. I think most of you should be able to do it. Kirudiga, welcome Kirudiga. Very nice to see you here. Fantastic, guys. All of you go for it. Let's see how many of you are getting it correct. Heshwita says B, and I think Heshwita is right. Very good. Shweta is also right. Sanvi, fantastic Sanvi. Gayatri, very good Gayatri. Very good Surya Prakash. Vishnu Priya, fantastic Vishnu Priya. Tushar, legendary bot. You guys are awesome. Okay. So if you are in 12th standard, you should apply 2022. Got it? Kirudiga is right. Tushar, Mohit, Rajkumar, Aditi, legendary bot, Satish, Blessy. You guys are awesome. So now I'll show you how to do it. What is the procedure? Write f of x as y. Y is equal to 3x minus 5. Get x in terms of y. So x is equal to what? X is equal to y plus 5 divided by 3. Now write x as g of x and write y as x. So it is going to be x plus 5 by 3. Now this is the inverse of f, which can be written like this. So what is the answer? It is option B. Did you all like it? Absolutely yes. Everybody cool with it? Nice one, nah? Very good, very good. I'm so happy you guys understood it. Guys, this is a brilliant concept. I am actually surprised you all got it so fast. Okay, so that is a good news. Make sure you practice it, okay? Because if you forget it, then again you have to watch this video. Clear? Great, very good Vignesh. I am happy you guys have understood it. So with that, let me move forward and I will move to the next question. Satish, yes man, I can see your message. I told you are right. Absolutely Satish. Now try to solve this question, people. Come on, everybody. All of you try to do it, my dear boys and my dear girls. Go for it. Okay, so guys, I think it should be 1 to infinity. It doesn't matter, but I'm just telling you, it is 1 to infinity. Okay, it is not 4 to infinity, it is 1 to infinity. Great. Cool. What else do we have? People, come on. What are you all doing? Okay, yes, Darshan, don't worry. Don't spam. Maybe it is because of spamming. Guys, don't worry if they are blocking you. I think it might be because of spamming. Don't take it in the wrong way. Just come back again, it'll be all right. Okay. Yes, legendary bot, absolutely right. Okay. Darshan, I am not sure why it happened. I have told them, see, they have responded, they won't block you again, don't worry. Okay. So it is by mistake. Sanvi, legendary. You guys are next level. You guys are next level only, I feel. Great. Sanvi, I think you are right. Tushar is also right. Aditi, very good, Aditi. Madhya Patla, Nirmala, you have to check it, Nirmala. Aditi, Logeshwari, Danush. Satish, you have to check it, Satish. Jaideep, very good. Tushar, Rohit, you guys are awesome. Keep it up, people, keep it up. Amazing work. Let me show you how it is done. So what do you do here? First of all, write y is equal to 5 to the power x into x minus 4. Did you all like that? Yes. Now take log to the base 5. Log to the base 5 if I take, what will I get? I will get this to be x into x minus 4. This was the master stroke. This was the master stroke. What is the master stroke? Take log to the base 5 on both sides. Are you all clear? Did you all like it till here? Did you all like it till here? Because this is the first step. Only if you tell me yes, if you tell me yo, then I can move forward. Because I write very big letters. And only 2 lines I can write. Okay, great. So I'm so happy you guys have understood it. Now let's move forward. Let's erase this. So I have erased it. Now what do I have? I have x square minus 4x. Now this term, I will take it to the left hand side. So I'll have minus log to the base 5y. Is that correct? Till here you guys have understood it? Absolutely fantastic. So I hope you guys are clear till this. So now this is equal to 0. Now guys, whenever we want to find inverse, I told you get x in terms of y. So I need to get x in terms of y. How can I do that? I can use the quadratic formula. Because this is a quadratic equation in x, na? So quadratic formula says x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. 4a is 1, c is minus log to the base 5y. So this minus and this minus will become plus, divided by 2a. 2a will become 2. So I can take x is equal to 2 cancels, 2 plus or minus root of, this will become 4 plus log to the base 5y. Now we have 2 options. Sir, we have a problem, sir. Sir, we have a problem. A is also correct, sir. B is also correct, sir. What to do, sir? What to do, sir? Okay. So how do you solve it? The answer is B. Because, guys, if f of x is from this to this, then your g of x, the inverse, will be from 1 comma infinity all the way up to 4 comma infinity. So the domain and range will reverse for inverse. So this is your g of x. Okay, so this is your g of x. So g of x domain starts from 1, range starts from 4. So if it starts from 4, it should be 2 plus something. It cannot be 2 minus something. Only then it can be 4. What is the range of g of x? The range of g of x is 4, starting from 4. So if it starts from 4, how can it be 2 minus? 2 minus means less than 2, right? So that's not possible. It has to be this one. Got it? Did you all like it? Fantastic, na? That is how you reason it out. That is how you solve it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Very good. Hello, Anshika. Welcome. 95 percentile is awesome, Darshan. If you want to increase it beyond 98, check the crash course. It can help you because it comes with the test series also. Okay, it was logical. It was a very tricky question. So guys, I have attached the solution. You can go through it later on. Maybe you will enjoy it. So this is something which I already told. I think you guys must be aware of it. So I will skip it and we will try to solve this question. This is a nice question. Let's see if you guys can get it. Come on, guys. Everybody, try to solve it. I want you to check the value of parameter alpha for which the function given is the inverse of itself. It is the inverse of itself. When will that happen? How will that happen? That is a question for all of you. Please do it, my dear boys and girls. Very good, very good. Very good course of education. Awesome, man. Great, great. You are awesome. Very good. So, Story Dreams channel says option C. Are you sure? I doubt it. I doubt it. I doubt it. Very good, Sanvi. Sanvi is right. Sai Savkar. Please check it, Sai. That is not correct. AC Musicals, check it. Shweta, no Shweta. You can substitute and check it, Shweta. Here you can actually substitute. Very good. Aditya, you are right, Aditya. That's what you're supposed to do. Aditya, you are absolutely right. That is exactly what you're supposed to do. You are right. Very good. Dhruv is right. Anshika, very good, Anshika. You are awesome. That's right. Rajkumar, very good. Sai Savkar, very good. Surya, very good. Great, Sanvi. Fantastic. So, Satish, don't worry, Satish. I will help you. I will try to explain it in a very easy manner. Okay? Perfect. Nirmala, very good, Nirmala. That's correct. So, people, if f of x is the inverse of itself, then f of x should be equal to x. Is that correct? Because if g is the inverse of f, then f of g of x will be x. But here, g is not the inverse. The same function is the inverse of itself. So f of x should give you x. So f of x is 1 plus alpha x should be equal to x. Correct na? Correct na? Now what is f of x? F of x is 1 plus alpha x. So it will be 1 plus alpha times of x. What is x? This entire thing. So it will be 1 plus alpha x is equal to x. Clear? So this will be what? 1 plus alpha square x is equal to x. Now this is always true. This is always true. Then compare the coefficients. So a alpha square should be equal to 1. See, whenever something is always true, I'll explain it in a very detailed manner because this is important. So if I bring everything to one side, I will get something like this. Do you all understand it? Are you all clear? If I combine it, this is how we'll get it. Are you all clear? Yes, Virat Kohli, I am from Chennai, man. I am from Chennai, yes. Very nice to see you. Welcome, welcome. Everybody got it till here? Now people, if this has to be true for all values of x, then the coefficient should be 0. If this has to be true for all x, it is not an equation, it is an identity. Identity means what? It has to be true for all values of x. That means the coefficient should be 0. So it is not because of x, it is because the coefficient is 0, it has to be always satisfied. So for this to be 0, alpha will be plus or minus 1. For this to be 0, alpha will be minus 1. So what is the common value? Common value is, did you like it? Did you all like it? Now don't stop here. When you are learning, you should always have a curious mindset. You should always be excited to explore more. So let's see how to explore more. Listen carefully. Okay. Very good Aditya, you are right. So answer is minus 1. So what is f of x? F of x is 1 minus x. Now let's check it. Let's check whether it is giving the right answer or not. What is f of x? F of x is f of 1 minus x. What is f of 1 minus x? F of 1 minus x is 1 minus of, in the place of x, I'll put 1 minus x. Am I getting x? Beauty. It's working. F of x is giving me x. So therefore, it is the inverse of itself. That's how you solve it. Did you like it? Hello, Bruhat. Welcome, man. This is how you understand it. This is how you show your conceptual clarity. Got it? So Shweta, this is what I told you. You should have substituted. So this is a substitution method. I am doing it after I solved it to show you how it works. Very good AC musicals. I'm sorry. I think you wrote minus with underscore, man. So I thought it is -1 or +1. Okay. No problem. Absolutely right. So guys, this is the solution. I hope you all liked it. So these are some properties which you can note down. Properties of inverse. This is the last question. You just note down this property, nothing great to teach here. So when you have G of f the whole inverse, it is f inverse of G inverse. So if you have G of f the whole inverse, it is equal to f inverse of G inverse. It is called as reversal law. It is reversal law. See, G of f is there, but inverse, if I take whole, f will come in the front. Got it? Same way, f of G the whole inverse will also become G inverse of f inverse. Don't forget that. So these are the two things which you have to remember, and based on this, I have a question for you. One last question for the day, and after that, I think Wasim sir will come. So I have to stop soon. So let's look at one final question. Please do it, guys. Everybody. The last question. Aditya, these are all just properties, man. You just have to remember them. Exactly, Anshika. Anshika, you are absolutely right. You have nailed it. You have absolutely nailed it. You are correct, Anshika. Vishal, you have to practice, Vishal. Okay, so I know. When I was also a student, initially I used to find it hard, but practice makes it perfect, man. That's all I can say. But don't worry, I'll try to take some session. I'll help you out. Please wait and stay tuned to this channel. Okay. Yes, Sham Ruben. Na Chennai dana. I am from Chennai. I am from Tamil Nadu, man. I speak Tamil, of course. Okay, great. So people, the answer is absolutely right. F of G whole inverse. Because f of G the whole inverse, by reversal law, it becomes G inverse of f inverse, which is what is given to us. So that is why C is the answer. You guys are ultimate. Gokul, it is not B Gokul, it is option C. Because Gokul, you have reversal law happening here. So check it. Sanvi wants to go with option D. Yeah, I know. Class is getting over, you don't care now whether it is right or wrong. Great. Fantastic, people. So with that, I have one homework question for you. A very Laddu homework question. So try to do it and make sure you guys complete it and come. Comment it down below in the answer. Comment it down below. I want more competition from you. 11th standard people, I have 60-70 comments. 12th standard, 10-20 only. Come on, guys. Show your power. 12th standard students are so weak in our channel. Huh? Okay, so that's about it, people. The class is over. If you are interested to join Vedantu, I will talk about it for 2 minutes. Otherwise, you can leave. You are free to go. Go have fun. But don't forget to come back tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow we have 2 wonderful sessions. Try to be here at 4 o'clock and at 9 o'clock I'll be live. Okay? So now, for those who are interested to check out the courses at Vedantu, guys, there are brilliant courses going on in Vedantu. So it is not just a YouTube channel. So we teach as well in our own platform. So I teach for 11th standard long term, and I also teach for 12th standard micro courses. Micro courses means special courses. Okay, so that is the beauty of it. In Vedantu, we have live classes. You can choose to study in English or Hindi. It's up to you. And you also get micro courses, KVPY classes, and crash courses. All of it are free. So in case you want to join, I'll tell you the procedure. You can think about it. You can talk to your parents, and maybe if they agree, you can come to my class. Okay, fantastic. Asmi, great Asmi, you are so early. You are the sincerest student of my class. Great. Are you a Mallu? I guess that's short form for Malayali. Guys, I am from Chennai, so I am a Tamilian. I do understand Malayalam, but I'm not a Malayali, okay? So I am not from Kerala. I get this often. Many people ask me, but I am from Chennai, guys, okay? Fantastic. So people, like I said, this is the platform where we teach. So you see Vani ma'am here, you see Abhishek sir. They're all brilliant teachers from 9th and 10th. So Abhishek sir is 9th and 10th physics teacher. If you are from 11th standard, you must be knowing him. Vani ma'am is the bio expert in Vedantu. So we have wonderful teachers, wonderful platform. So we scribble here, we write here, we give notes here, and we give questions to students. We talk to students through the chat. So it is a very interactive, engaging platform. If you are interested, I'll show you the link and I'll show you what all we offer. You can check it. Great. So this is the test platform. This is how our tests are given. You can see your score. This student scored 94 only out of 300. Very bad score. But don't worry, some people score very high. Okay. And these are our results. These are our results. So we have above 99 percentile. See guys, whenever you have a good system, whenever you have a good teacher, it is bound to have good results. It is bound to have. Good system, good teachers, good assignments will give you good results, and we have proved it. Okay, so that is why I'm telling you, now you are at an important phase. You want to get into a good coaching institute. You want to be in a place where they teach you. So that way you can consider Vedantu. It might be a changing point in your life. Why don't we teach in Spanish? Great, we will do that. Spanish, Mandarin, Chinese, we will do everything. Yeah, we can do that so that more people will come and see. China has the biggest population, right? So we'll do that. Great. So guys, these are the courses. So like I said, we have Pro Light, we have Pro Classic for 12th standard, for Pro Plus also. So what are the three variations? So monthly price is just 3,600 for Pro Light, 4,900 for Classic, and 6,700 for Plus. So you can choose. If you want to try Vedantu, I would say go for 1 month subscription. See if you like it. If you like it, then join us. Okay. Well, how much percentile did you get? So guys, when I wrote, I told you, I got state rank 5. So I got 99.97, I'm sorry, 95. 99.95 percentile. So when I wrote, so I obviously got a good rank in JEE Mains. I got all India rank of 400 something. Okay, Tushar, yes Tushar, I'll show you how to buy it. And Divya, I don't know about 99 Divya, but you can easily go above 90 Divya. Above 90 percentile, pakka you can go with the crash course. I will show you how to join it, Divya. Please wait for some time. Okay, thank you so much, legendary bot. That is so nice of you. Now, sir will buy Vedantu Pro. Absolutely, ask me. I'll show you how to buy. Ask me, will give the card details. Okay, so guys, Pro Light will not have doubt solving. Pro Classic will have doubt solving. Pro Plus will have personal mentor. Personal mentor means for every subject, you will get one person to guide you. They will help you with doubt solving, they'll help you with schedule, and they'll help you with preparation. They'll guide you for it. So that way, personal mentor will be beneficial, but it is under Pro Plus, so it's a bit expensive. But if you just want to try Vedantu, to see the teachers, to get good assignments, to get good test series, to get good material, then this is good enough. This is good enough. Here the only thing is doubt solving is not there, personal mentor is not there. Here personal mentor alone is not there. So you decide what you want and you can choose it. So you have to use my coupon code. I'll give you the link in the description of the video. You can check it. Okay. So if you want to join for 1 year, sir, I'm in 12th standard, sir. I have 1 year left out. I believe Vedantu is the best for me. I like Vedantu. I pakka decided. My parents also told, okay, then you can go for 1 year. Because when you join 1 year, you will get Tattva material hard copy. You will get Tattva material hard copy. Okay, hard copy means what? We will courier it to your house. So Tattva material is the study material of Vedantu. It is supposed to be the best in the country, and you will definitely get it only if you join 1 year. Okay, So if you join 1 year, you have Vedantu improvement promise. If you don't improve after joining Vedantu, we will refund the entire money. So Venkata Krish, it is not 8 months, man, it is 12 months. Because next year JEE Mains, nobody knows, right? So till the end, we will teach you. So Venkata, you know, till now we are teaching our old students. So our old students now, Venkata, those who joined last year and the year before, we are still teaching them. We didn't leave them. We did not leave them, okay? So don't worry about it, we will help you till the end. So whose birthday is it? Sanvi's birthday, is it? Great. So Sanvi, you didn't tell me. Very happy birthday, Sanvi ji. What is the treat for us? Give us a virtual cake. Great, great. Very good, legendary bot. All the best, man. Do well. Okay, Asmi. Asmi is doing this again and again. I'll deal with her later, okay? It's okay, fine. Asmi, my God, I can't believe I got fooled twice. That too on a public platform. Revenge shall be taken. Okay, so this is the crash course. So this is the crash course. Guys, you can check it, and maybe if you like it, you can join. Many of you are asking, right? The crash course is 6,000 rupees, and it is till the time you write JEE Mains. JEE Mains can be in July, August, or whatever. Till then, we will support you. Janan, welcome, welcome. Janan, welcome, man. Got it? So this started yesterday. Next week also it is starting. So guys, I would say don't wait for next week, because from here it will be 2 months. So who knows when JEE Mains will be. So better join the previous batch which started yesterday. Got it? So the price is 6,000 for all 3 subjects. What do you get here? You get maths, you get physics, you get chemistry, full teaching, and you get test series. See, JEE Mains now test series is very important. So test series also you'll get for everything for 6,000 for 2 months or even 3 months till the time you write JEE Mains. Got it? So this is a special discount. This is my coupon code. I will show you how to use all of them. Please give me 1 minute, guys. Darshan, I will come to your doubt. Please give me 1 minute. I will teach you, because Wasim sir is ready. I think he should be coming live in some time. So people, this is the video which you are saying. So Sanvi says, hi, shall I crack JEE Advanced? Legendary vote. If you work hard, you will crack it. So you come below, you come down, you come down, you come down. So this is how you join the pro subscription. If you are in 12th standard, click this. You have to join for 1 year. You see the price is 35,000 for 1 year, 3,600 for 1 month. You can choose what you want. It's up to you. The details of the course will be here. Everything will be given here. So English, then what is the syllabus, when will the classes be, what time will the classes be, what are the extra features, how many people benefited, what are the testimonies of parents. So everything you can see, you can decide whether you want to join or not. For crash course, guys, don't think too much. Go buy it if you want. Okay, because crash course, the price is incredibly reasonable. It shows 10,000, but when you click buy now, it will become 6,000. Okay, so guys, it is not 10,000, it will become 6,000, don't worry. You just have to click on buy now. Okay, so ask me, you're lucky, I am not logged in. So today you escape. Even though you made me wish birthday for two imaginary birthdays. Great. So guys, if you enjoyed the session, download the Telegram app, download the session PDF from this link. Okay, this is the link for Telegram. Join it, you will get the session PDF. So today, whatever I took, you can get it. Okay, and finally, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. Okay, so answer my doubt. Which NIT will I get? So Darshan, you will not get top NITs, you will not get top branches. So you might get lower branches, something like, let's say, instrumentation, production, metallurgy. So that branch you might get, but not computer science in top NITs. Okay, so that is the biggest disadvantage. So try to improve it, Darshan. That's why I told you, right? You can make use of the crash course, that will help you. When will be the next session? Tomorrow at 4 o'clock. So tomorrow at 4 o'clock will be the next session. Make sure you guys join it. Okay. Sharif student. Yeah. Absolutely. Ask me. I believe that 100%. Okay, great. So people, all the very best. I love you guys. Work hard. See you all tomorrow at 4. Till then, keep rocking, keep working. Okay, bye-bye.